Good. Superb children. Yes. So all are very active. Yes? Okay. So let's get started. This is going to be your phonics class. Okay. So today we are going to learn phonics. Right? Are you all ready? So sit right, everyone. Sit right. Yes. So this class is meant not only for listening, but also you have to open your mouth and say the sounds, and you have to sing the rhyme songs. Okay? Yes, children? Yes. So let's get started. First, we do a short recap of the letters, sounds, words which you have learned last week. Right? Yes? Okay. So you are going to say few words on the letters what we have learned last week, right? What is the first thing we have learned? What is the sound of this? A and I together. Have you have to say this? A and I together. A. A. Right? My ear hurt. I was in pain. A. Yes? So the sound of A and I is A. Right? So send me few words on this. Yes? I want few words on this A and I. Like paint, aim, superb Satvika. Yes, good, superb. A, paint, nail, superb. You can also send a sentence. I paint my room yellow. Main, okay, superb. Snail, sail, faint, superb children. Brain, chain, okay. Yes. So you all well aware of this sound, isn't it? Superb children. Good. So can you send me a sentence? Can you send me a sentence using these words? A simple sentence. Yes? Main. Okay, I want sentence. I paint my room. Superb. My leg is paining. Yes, A. You could observe the sound of A, right? Superb children. Yes. I like to paint. Superb. Yes, okay, good. Yes. So next letter, did you remember that? What is the next thing? Yes. After A, which letter we have learnt? I love to paint. Super Mahavidya. Good. Don't strain. Lane. Okay. Yes, superb children. Yes, we move on to the next thing. What is that? Rain. Okay, good. Next comes, what is the letter here? What is the letter, children? J. Yes. So the sound of letter J is J, right? You have to open your mouth and say, okay? Right? Jelly and jam, jingling on the plate. Yes? So the sound of letter J is J, right? As it comes for Jeep, right? Jeep, juice. You can send a sentence on this. Jellyfish, jump, jam, jacket. Now send a sentence on this, children. I like mango juice. Like this, you can frame a simple sentence on this. I love jam. Okay, Dharani, good. Jug. Okay. I went to jungle. Super. I eat jam. Okay. Yes, I love jam too, Abhinav. Yes, you all love jam, right? Okay. I like to jump. Yes, Nandana. Good. I wear a jacket in winter. Okay, superb children. Yes. I hate junk food. Oh, is it Mithun? You won't eat junk food? Good, very good, super. Yes. I like to have juice. Good, Lingesh? Yes. Super. Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? That is OA. How it sounds, children? OA. As it comes for boat. Oh, oh, isn't it? Boat, goat, boat, road, right? Okay. So you all remember this, right? Okay, superb. Good. Yes. And next we move on to how we have to sound this. I and E together. Yes. Did you remember the captain? The captain said, I, right? Yes. So we have to sound as I and E. Pragalpa, please go on mute, dear. Yes. I, right? As it comes for pie, tie, flies, lie, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. And we move on to the next thing. What is the sound of this? E, E. E and OR. We have learned two things, right? E. Give some examples on this. As it comes for B, sheep. You have to drag that sound, right? B, sheep, feet, right? Long E sound. Eel. Superb, children. Good. And OR, meat. Super. Ghee. Very good, Nandika. Yes. OR, R. ER. Yes, or as it comes for storm, born, good, greed, super, thorn, folk, right? Superb, children, good. So these are the few letters and sounds we have learned last week, right? So today also we are going to continue with this feet, soar, geet. Okay. Yes. So we are going to continue the next letter. What do you see here? What letter is this, children? So nice to see this, right? Yes? Okay. Say yes or no. Yes. Okay. So the letter is Z, right? The name of the letter is Z. And how you have to sound this? Okay, Deepti. Yes, Janani. Yes, zebra. Yes. Okay. So nice to see, right? Okay. So let's see the sound and the song for this letter. Okay. So you're going. What do you see in the screen? What do you see, children? You see what this insect called? Bumblebees, isn't it? Yes. Have you heard the sound of bees? Have you heard the sound of bees, children? Yes. How many of you heard the sound of bees? How does it sound? How does it sound? Have you heard this? Right? So now you are going to pretend like geese. So nice, isn't it? So you are going to pretend like bees. What you are going to do? You have to put your arms out like wings. Okay. So you are going to pretend like bees. You have to put out your arms and you have to flap your arms like wings. Okay, like a bee, you have to flap your arms and you have to make a sound. What sound you have to going to give? Right? Yes. So you are going to buzz around the flowers. Imagine that. Okay. How these bees are buzzing around the flowers. Like this, you are going to pretend, right? And you are going to sing this song. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes. Are you all in position? Superb. Yes. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. Are you all singing along with ma'am? Yes, you have to sing along with ma'am. Imagine that you are honeybee. Sing loudly, okay? Yes. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. Wow, it's nice, isn't it? Yes, so the sound of letter Z is Z. Okay. Yes. And now we are going to see few words. Okay. Yes, you are going to say few words on letter Z. Right? Few words are also given in the slides. Other than this, you can also give some words. Right? The first one is zebra. Right? Zebra. Z. You could observe the sound of letter Z in the beginning of that word. Right? Zebra, right? You have to open your mouth and say along with ma'am, right? You should not close your mouth. Listen, observe the sound, open your mouth and say. Right, children? Yes. Okay, so zebra. And the next one, what is that? What is that, children? Zero. Yes? Yes, say along with ma'am. Zero. Right? And next one, what is that? Yes? Zip. Zip. Right? Okay. Are you all observing the sound of letter Z? Yes? Zip. Right? And the next word, what is that? Zigzag. Zigzag. Right? Okay. And the next one, what is that? Zoo. Zoo. Right? And the next one is, yes, zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. You would have seen in the on the roads, right? Yes. So where the walkers can cross the road through the zebra crossing, right? Yes, zebra crossing. And what is that fruit called? What is this? The last one. How do you say this? How do you say this? Zoo. Okay, Prissy, good. Zucchini, right? How you have to say? Zucchini. It's like cucumber, isn't it? But it's not cucumber. The name of this is zucchini, right? Okay, so these are the few words that have letter Z in the beginning of the word, right? Yes, and now I want my children to frame a sentence, to make small, simple sentence on these words. Yes? You say it to your mother, she'll be typing in the chat box, right? Say a small, simple sentence. You know how to make a sentence, isn't it? I have go to zoo. Okay, you go to zoo. Okay. Zigzag. I want sentence, children. Sentence. Small sentence is enough. I have to go zoo. See here. I like zebra. Okay, Dharini, good. A black zip. A black zip. I saw a zebra in a zoo. Good, Meenakshi. Yes. My favorite animal in the zoo. You find a favorite animal in zoo. Okay, Sai. Good. My favorite. I like zoo. Okay, Brizzy. Good. I like to go to zoo. Zebra is black and white. Superb, Nandana. Yes. Zebra is black and white. Yes, Abhinav. Good. Yes. And shall we read this sentence? A black zip. A black zip. Right? Yes. A solid desk. A solid desk. A hard zebra. A hard zebra. My favorite animal in the zoo. Kavicharan. Yes, good. A frog on a log. A frog on a log. Okay, so I have seen few sentences. Good, superb, children. I want all my children to say yes. Okay, and next, okay, we have learned the sound of letter Z and the rhymes for this, right? Yes, I like zebra. Okay, good. Superb, children. Yes, and now we move on to the next letter. What is this? Yes? See how it is showing its tongue? W, right? W. What is the sound of W? Shall we see that? Yes? My favorite animal. Okay, Kavicharan. Good. So now we are going to see the sound of letter W. Okay. Yes? So how you have to pretend for this, you know? Yes? You have to pretend like wind. Imagine that you are wind. Okay? See this picture. See the boy. So he's blowing. He blow onto your open hand. You have to blow the air, right? As if you are wind. Imagine that you are wind. You have to blow the air, right? Yes. And now we are going to sing this rhyme. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes? Say yes, ma'am. You're going to sing along with ma'am with the action, right? Okay, Nandika. Good. Yes. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. How the wind is blowing? It's blowing very strong. So you have to blow strong. Okay. Yes. Shall we sing one more time? Yes. Okay. Yes. So you're going to sing along with ma'am now, this time. Okay. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. Are you all singing along with ma'am? Yes. Okay, yes. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. So the sound of letter W is wah, wah, right? As it comes for win, wah. Okay, yes. And now we are going to see few words, right? So what is the first word? What is that? Yes, W-A-N-D. What is that? Wand. Wand, right? It's a special stick. Right? Magic persons will be having this in their hands, isn't it? Wand. Yes, okay. See the observe the sound. Magic wand. Okay, good. Superb children. Yes. And next thing, what is that? What is the next picture? Whale. Did you observe the sound? Whale. Whale. Right? Whale. Okay. Good, Niralya. Yes. Yeah, I want you to open your mouth and say, right? And what is the next one? Wheel. Wheel. Yes. Wheel. Right? And the next one, what is this? A tiny creature. What is this? Yes? Worm. Okay, good. Worm. W-O-R-M. What is that? Worm. Okay, good. Worm. Yes. And what is the next one? Watermelon, right? W-A-T-E-R. Watermelon, right? Watermelon, right. And the next one is watch. Watch, right? So frame sentence on this word, children. Yes, I want sentence now. Yes. Watch. I like watermelon. Yes. I'm having 3 watches. Okay. Superb. You have more collections. I have a new watch. Okay, Dharini. Good. Yes. Mithun, frame a sentence. Make a sentence using watch. I like one. Okay. Good. I see a big whale. Okay, Sai Lakshmi. Watermelon is my favorite. I'm fear of worm. Okay. I watch dolphin show. Good. Oh, it's very good. Superb children. You are all making good sentences. Good. Yes. Superb. What about others? The watermelon is juicy. Good, Sai. Yes. I like to eat watermelon. Meenakshi. Good. Superb children. Yes. I like yellow with black color. Mithun. Watch. Okay. Superb children. Yes. Good. I saw watch. I like watermelon. Good. Cycle have 2 wheels. Superb. I have a pink watch. Good. Whale swim in sea. Good. I like to wear watch. Superb children. Yes. Superb. Superb. Good. Okay. So now we move on to the next letter. We'll see few sentence also. A deep well. A steep hill. A steep hill. I have a smartwatch. Okay. I'm a wonderful person, Dashwin. Okay. A wet rag. A wet rag. Right? A black spot. So these are the sentences. Right? Okay. And now we move on to next thing. What is that? N and G. N and G together we say as ng. Right? So the sound of letter NG is ng. So how we are going to pretend for this? Yes, on seeing the picture itself you could find, isn't it? So now we are going to pretend like a yes, weightlifter. Okay, so you are going to imagine you are a weightlifter and pretend that you are having a heavy weight. Okay, that you are holding a heavy weight. Okay, imagine like that and you are going to Sing the rhyme now. Yes, are you all imagining? Yes? You're going to pretend now. You're going to pretend like a weightlifter and you're having a heavy weight on your hand. Okay, you're going to lift that. Yes? Okay, let's see. If you're strong and you know it's saying. If you're strong and you know it's saying. If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it's saying. Yes? Shall we repeat one more time, children? Yes? Okay, it's tunes like if you're happy and you know it, right? Yes? Okay. So let's sing one more time. You have to sing along with ma'am, right? If you're strong and you know it, saying. If you're strong and you know it, saying. If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, saying. Okay. So the sound of letters N and G is right, as it comes for strong. Yes. Okay, now we are going to see few words. Shall we see? Yes. What are the words given here? See the picture and say some words on this. Yes. How this boy is pretending, see? Yes. Long. 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 Yes, Deepti. Ng. Yes. Long. Bang. Raining. Good. Lungs. Could observe the sound, isn't it? Wing. Good. Wrong. Niralya. Good. Ring. Yes, superb, children. And we'll see few words on this. What is the first picture shows? A. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Tongs. Superb, Mithun. Sing. And the next one? Wing. King. Good, Mahavidya. Yes. And next one, wing. Wings. You used to say no? Wings. Superb. And the next one, ring. You get the you observe the sound of ng at the end of the words, right? Ring. Right? And next one, bang. Bang. Right? And next one, hang. H-A-N-G. Hang. Right? So these are the few words that have letters O, N and G together, right? There are few also. Bang, song, run, wing, hang. So now frame sentence on these words, children. Yes, make sentence on these words. I like singing. You have to say I like singing, right? King. Okay. Yes, any other sentence? Yes, children. I am very strong. Mithun, are you? Superb. I am very strong. Good. I like to wear ring. Jaganvale. Yes. I like ring. Good, Brizzy. Yes. Kanitra Sudarshan. I am king. You are king. Okay. Superb. The bomb is banging. Okay, Silesh. Superb. The bomb is banging. Get the sound, isn't it? Banging sound. Superb. I have ring. Trivashnavi, you are having ring, huh? Superb. Yes. Any other sentence? Yes. Okay. I can sing. Dashwin. Okay, children. Superb. Yes. So let's move on to the next word. Okay. Yes. A long wait, a big tree, my strong swing, a bad trip. I like to sing, Krishiv. Okay, good. So next, we move on to the next letter. Vishnu Priya ma'am will be continuing this. Over to Vishnu Priya ma'am.
Thank you, Nachi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. So all are learning phonics today, enjoying the session, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes, with so many songs and letters. Yes, super children. Now see, what letter are you seeing here? Yes. What is the letter? V. Yes, this letter is V. Okay, so now we will see the song for this letter. Are you all ready? Yes. So how we are going to pretend now? We're going to pretend like driving a van. Yes? How you will drive a car and a van? You'll say, ooh, isn't it? Yes? I know. You will drive like you're very fast, you'll drive, isn't it? With a big sound. So I want you to do like this now. Are you all ready, children? Yes? Superb. So hold the steering. Imagine you're holding a steering and driving a van with a sound. Ready? Yes. Superb. Now shall we sing this? Drive Wiggs van round the village. Drive Wiggs van round the village. Drive Wiggs van round the village. Woo, 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 woo. Nice, no? Are you all driving with the song? Yes? Again, shall we sing it again? Yes. Drive Wiggs van round the village. Drive Wiggs van round the village. Drive Wiggs van round the village. Woo, 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 woo. So what is the sound for V here? When you say the letter, it is V, isn't it? But when you use in words, it becomes V. Village, van, Wix. Yes? V, 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 V. Yes, are you all repeating? Shall we sing it one more time? Are you all ready, children? Yes? Okay. Drive Wix van round the village. Drive Wix van round the village. Drive Wix van round the village. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, superb. Amazing, children. Now, we will see some words on this letter V. Yes? So, what are the letters given here? Can you all see the picture? Wix van is there. Yes? They're all driving so happily. Van, Vim, Vat, West, V. V is the sound of the letter V. Repeat after me, children. V. Van, Vim, Vat, West. Are you all repeating? When you repeat only, you will know how to pronounce it. Yes? Very good. Now we'll move to the exercise. See what you have to do. All these have got the first letter as V. Now put the first letter as V and pronounce the word. So we'll start from the top one. What is it? What is that? When you add the letter V, how will you pronounce it? Vegetables. Vegetables. Yes? The second one, vehicle. Vehicle. The third one, vase. See, I want you to pronounce the word and see. Yes, children? No need to type it in the chat box. You just pronounce the words. Okay. Vehicle. Vase. Violin. Volcano. Wall. Van. Vest. Yes, shall we do it again? Volleyball, yes, superb, very good. Vest. Again, shall we pronounce the letters? Yes, pronounce the words. Vegetables, vehicle, vase, violin, volcano, wall, van, vest. Yes, so the sound is V. Yes, children? Now give me some words and sentences. So you have the words here. There are so many words here, isn't it? So based on these words, give me some sentences, simple sentences. Vacation, yes, superb. I like vegetables, very good. Yes, then There are so many words here. Violin is there, vase is there. I like vase. Yes, vase is flower vase. Yes, you keep flowers inside that. Veterinary doctor, amazing, superb. Then only few words. I come to school in van. Yes. My favorite is violin. Superb. I like to go in van. I saw volcano in Dora program. Superb. Yes, others all trying? Yes, children. Superb. Very good. Yeah. So you can form so many sentences based on these words. Yes. Very good. I want you to repeat the words. I want you to pronounce it. Okay. So do that. Now we will see some sentences. What is the first one? A big caravan. Caravan. You have the letter of the sound V there. Can you all notice this? A big caravan. V. Yes. So in what all the sentences? A big pocket in a raincoat. Here we don't have the V sound. Yes. See the third one. A wet vest. So can you notice a V sound here? A wet vest. V. Yes. See the last one. A pink lipstick. So these are all some sentences. And in the first and the third sentence, you can find the letter V with the sound V. Caravan. Vest. Yes. Superb, children. Now we'll move to the next letter. What is this? What is this? What letter is this? O. It is combination of two O. Yes. O. Yes. Now we will see a song for this. So how we are going to pretend, you know, like a cuckoo bird coming out of the clock. Have you all seen a clock? In most of the clocks, there will be a cuckoo bird. When the time is 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, it comes out and give the sound and go back, isn't it? The same way you're going to do it now. You're going to come like a cuckoo bird, front and back, and sing with me. Yes? Shall we do this, children? Okay, so there are two sounds for O. Okay, it is O gives a short sound as well as a long sound that we will see with the words. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all pretending like a cuckoo? Now all my cuckoos, sing along with me. Yes? Okay. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh. Yes? Nice, no? Shall we do it again? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh. So, did you all notice there is a oo sound and there is a oo sound? Okay, a short sound, short oo is there, a long oo is there. Yes. So this combination of two O will give you two types of sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Yes. Shall we do it again, children? Are you all ready? My cuckoos are ready? Yes. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh. Yes. Super. Very good, children. See here, some words are given. Look. Zoo. Book. Yes, can you notice this? A long sound and a short sound. Look. Book. Everything has got a normal O sound. Yes, but zoo. Zoo has got a long O sound. Yes, look. Book. Zoo. You have to say the words. Open your mouth and say the words. Only then you will know it is a short sound or a long sound and how it is pronounced. Will you all do this? Yes? Okay. Okay, you're going to give me words and sentences on this. See here, there is a difference between oo and oo sound. See the first on the top. Look. Look. O sound. Yes? Cool. This is a long sound. Yes or no? Open your mouth and say, look. Look. Cool. Yes. So there are short sound words here on the left side and long sound words on the right side. See, for example, book. But here it is boo. Brook, cook, foot, good, hook. These are all words having small sounds. See the long sounds. Boot, moon, pool, school, spoon, zoo. Yes? Can you all notice this? Yes, try saying these words and try to give me some sentences also. You can try with another words, different words also. I like to read books. Yes. Then took, took. So it's a short sound, isn't it? Took, cook. Footsteps. Yes, superb. Footsteps. I want to come to school. School. Yes. Sentences. I want sentences, children. See, so many words are here. You can try with many words here. You can try with different sentences. Yes. Spoon is there. Root is there. Noon. I went to zoo. Yes. Table is made of wood. Very good. Superb. Moon is so beautiful. I like to see moon. Moon. It's a long sound. Yes. Very good, children. Superb. So like this, you can try to frame the sentences. Small sentences. You have to frame. Okay. You have to develop your writing also. Yes, children. Superb. So we will see the recap now. Yes. Over to Nachi ma'am.
Yes, children. So what are the letters we have learned today? Yes. We have seen the first one is I will see you soon. Okay, Mutun. Good. Super. Yes, the first one is Z, right? Z. Say the sound of letter Z. Yes. Z, right? Okay. And the next one, what is the next we have learned? Zip. Okay, the next coming soon. Okay, Sailesh. The next one is W. What is the sound of W? I want you all to say the sound now. What is the sound of letter W, children? Win. Right? Right? Okay, superb, children. Right. Remember that song and then get the sound, right? Good, superb, children. Yes. And next, what comes next? Right? NG. Think of that weightlifter. What's the sound of NG? Strong. King. Superb, children. So while reading, you have to get the sound, observe, say the sounds. Okay? Yes. Superb, children. Yes. Good, Dashwin. Yes. And next comes V. What's the sound of letter V? V, right? V, right? Van, as it comes for van, right? West. Superb. Sanvika Shri, V, right. And next comes the last one. I like reading myth. Good, Mithun. Yes. Oo sound, right? The short oo sound and the long oo sound, right? You have two sounds for letters O and O together, right? Oo, as it comes for wood, cook, right? And long oo sound as it comes for zoo, school, spoon. You have to drag the sound. That is long oo sound, right? Okay, superb, children. Yes, my name is Victor. Okay, book. Yes, short sound, book. You're not dragging that sound, isn't it? Book. Yes, superb, children. Yes, I hope you all enjoyed this session, right? Yes, cook. Okay, children. Kanitra, good. School, book, cool. Okay. Okay, very good. Superb. Yes. So that's all for today's class. Hope you all enjoy this session. Yes, I want all my children to read books, right? Read any story, at least a 5 or 10 lines in any book, story book. Watch English movies, right, children? Will you all do this? Yes? Yes? I'm getting only one thumbs up. I want yes, ma'am, in the chat box. Try reading at least a page in your storybook. Right, children? Yes, okay, good, superb, sure, good. Yes, Sanvi, good, superb, children. Yes, Mithun. Then only you can improve your reading skill. If you start reading, you can speak well also. Right? Okay, superb, children. Yes, thank you so much. Have a nice day, children. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.